We are hopeful that there will be a positive answer on Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. That's our core demand. That's what the nation wants. That's what the youth of this country wants, and nothing less will cut. If not, the movement will continue. It will become bigger and more stronger, and it will spread across the country as it already has.
Last question, what about the restrictions, 1.5 kilometers surrounding, internet is cut and metro station also?
So whatever you do, you can't stop the people of this country from coming to Jantar Mantar. You already see thousands and thousands of them have gathered here, and they'll continue to do so. You cannot stop the people of this country. Secondly, जितना भी करना है, जो भी करना है कर लीजिए. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान has to resign, otherwise Jantar Mantar will only become bigger and bigger.
BJP raises a concern that is the authorities are they are deputing some gundas in the protest to create some unnecessary situations. So
Why? So there is no answer. Why is what exactly that? This is exactly what BJP's job is. They pay 500 rupees for each goon and then they send them here. We're also concerned about them because they are also jobless, which is why they have to resort to these things. Our protest is extremely peaceful. Our protesters are extremely peaceful. They want to raise their voice peacefully and they'll continue to do so. All such BJP goons, they need to understand we are also fighting for their kids. We are also fighting for their exam leaks. And if this is what they are doing, it shows more about them than about us.
Police have made hotel owners not to serve free food.
Who said? Police.
Hotel owners not to serve free food.
The amount of energy police and the system are spending on creating obstacles for this movement, 10% of this could have actually fixed the exam leak in this country. Thank you.
The CJI made a clarification of explaining that
2 months too late is what I'll say.